Just give it up. While you may have the power of smoke, mine is fire. A fight between the two of us would be pointless. It would probably go on forever.
All right. Looks like the mystery man has devil fruit powers.
Who is this guy anyway? And why is he helping us?
You, Ace?
You haven't changed a bit, Luffy.
It is you. Really? Wow, did you eat a devil fruit or something?
Yeah, the flame fruit.
We'll secure the perimeter, Captain Smoker.
Anyway, now's probably not the time for chatting. You guys get out of here, I'll catch up. Don't worry about these guys, I've got them. Go on.
Let's go!
Yeah, coming!
But, Luffy!
Who is that guy back there?
There's one thing I don't get. Why are you helping the Straw Hat?
Can a guy help out his bungling kid brother? Even you should get that, Smoker.
He's your kid brother. Interesting. Oh, please. How loving. Now, move it.
I'm afraid I can't. You understand.
Hold up, Luffy! Tell us who that guy is! Do you know him from somewhere? Yeah! He's my big brother!